You've heard of Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett, but Robert Pera? Most people don't even know his name. Yet he quietly built a tech empire worth billions, all without the spotlight. This is the story of the man who turned rejection into revolution. Subscribe to Talk Billions to Me, where we uncover the business stories they never wanted you to hear. Robert Pera is the founder of Ubiquiti Networks and owner of the Memphis Grizzlies. But unlike most billionaires, he avoids interviews, red carpets, and headlines. He built a tech empire without becoming a tech celebrity. Pera grew up in a modest family in California. As a kid, he had heart issues and missed school. This time alone sparked a deep interest in computers and radio waves. After earning degrees in electrical engineering and Japanese, he joined Apple in his 20s. There, he worked on Wi-Fi devices and spotted a flaw he knew he could fix. Pera noticed that Apple's Wi-Fi devices were underpowered. He proposed an idea to extend their range, but Apple said no. So he quit Apple and launched Ubiquiti from his apartment in 2005. He maxed out his credit cards, believing in his mission-affordable, high-performance internet for underserved areas. Ubiquiti sold millions of devices globally, relying on word-of-mouth and user communities. No marketing budget. In 2011 it went public, and Robert Pera became a billionaire at 34. In 2012, Pera shocked the world by buying the Memphis Grizzlies. He was the youngest NBA owner, and no one saw it coming. Pera rarely gives interviews. He avoids the press. He even skipped the IPO party. But his company quietly competes with giants like Cisco and TP-Link. Ubiquiti's model minimal overhead, maximum talent. They hire elite engineers and let them work independently. No cubicles, no micromanaging. Robert Pera proves you don't need fame, followers, or flash to build wealth. You need obsession, vision, and the courage to walk away from comfort. While the world worships noisy billionaires, the quiet ones keep building. Robert Pera built a global empire in silence, and stayed true to himself. If you want more stories like this, hit subscribe and join Talk Billions to Me. We'll keep uncovering the fortunes built in the shadows.